1212. Good afternoon, choppers. Hope you are well wherever you are watching me from. let's like the stream. We've got like 22, 23 minutes to go until the release of CPI. What's your anticipation? Um, what are you expecting today? Please also participate in the poll that we have there. Just 1 second. Okay. All right. For those of you that were trading with me yesterday, you would know that we're on waiting on the euro dollar to happen. It was quite clear that, and I think we also went to an extent of discussing on Monday. Right. So we did discuss it, and one of the things that we're discussing is that obviously you would normally have retail traders at these highs there to look for retest, break retest. We also have another one here, break retest. Retail traders, they like this type of traps, right? So yesterday we decided that we are not going to sell this because there's a lot of money here. Why? Because we think that a lot of retail traders will want to sell this from $1.02, anticipating $1, $1 1 cent, right? So we didn't get that much, but it was a clear setup for us that we are going to be bullish, right? Like I was saying to you guys, that selling at this point is a sucker trade. Yeah, there's a high chance that you are being trapped, right? So yeah, that's the reason why you see we didn't fall for this. Today is a brand new day. When we are announcing this with the team in the morning, we were quite concerned about this level here, $1.03, 24. This is where we were quite concerned this morning, right? Simply because we did not want to get surprised, right? We don't want to get a surprise as far as this thing is concerned. So yeah, obviously now CPI coming in, we're gonna see if we can range between $1.02 and $1.30 there, right? Just try to make sense out of the whole thing, but yeah, it's just a matter of time. We're gonna give it some time to see where it can because I'm running a poll that please just participate there. Are you selling or are you buying at this point for CPI, right? So we're gonna have it in a couple of minutes now. If you join us, please don't forget to like the stream. We had a CPI year to year for British pound in the month. Now we're waiting for core CPI month to month for the US year to year, right? So yeah, let's see. What are you trading today, this afternoon? Same setup that we see on euro dollar. We had the same. We spoke about this level here, and I told the choppers look to buy there. I was actually in a trade yesterday, and if you are on the choppers funded, you would know. I was in a trade too, but out there. If I take a trade on 15 minutes time frame going lower, I only need to wait for 2 hours until I come out. So yeah, my 2-hour rule at least saved me. And then yesterday again, what did we have? There was news release yesterday, core PPI, right, at 3:30. And this is what happened during the core PPI. Now, one could have taken this nice rejection there at POC. POC was trading at $1.21, right? One could have taken advantage of that and take this thing to the upside. So yeah, we were anticipating that. However, we wanted to see if we can maybe take this from this low to this high here, from $1.21 to $1.23. But as you see, it's failing around $1.22 there. So yeah, I think there's still a lot to see today, since we have the news release. But yeah, we'll just see, man, and see how we can take advantage of this market today. So in the morning when I drew this, I was saying to the choppers that look, you just need to be careful there, because if you take a trade between $1.22 and $1.21, there are high chances that you're going to be trapped in all this commotion here, which is a consolidation, right? So just be careful there if you exit the trade. Your own Cpi advantage, right? WTI, now WTI continues to consolidate. I mean, it's been a long time now, right? And this is, I said it to you guys on Monday during the live stream, that worst case scenario, if I take a WTI sell, I might be trapped between $77.40 a barrel and $76.43 a barrel, right? So we've been playing around these two price tags there, price points there, and we don't see anything happening. But I think, look, today CPI must just give us something so that we can buy on something, right? Right now, still moving sideways, and I'm not entertaining it, right? If we break below, that's when I can entertain this. Wait for my rejection candlestick to form at least at $76.40, right? That's if we break to the downside, right? That's WTI. Gold, we had nice opportunities there. Again, choppers funded, you would know about this. Yesterday, we spoke of gold coming at this low that we can reload at 2,663. This is where we could potentially take a buy setup there for gold. And another trade we did say, if you took this one here, right, depending again on how you do your risk, reload again at this level here. So I don't know if you're still holding. So we marked 2,663 and also marked 2,682 to have a continuation, because for that 2,700 mark, which is around this area here. But as long as we are playing around where we are right now, I want to see where we are in terms of our fixed range. Point of control is at 2,669, and we can potentially go to the 2,700 mark during the news. So yeah, as I was saying to you guys in the morning, that today's CPI is just going to determine what is it that we need to do next. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Right, so Nasdaq, again, there's nothing that you, according to how I trade, right? There's really nothing I can make out of this. I think USDT is better compared to Nasdaq. Again, I don't like this. I consider this as a problem to me, right? Because if you look at 15 minutes, we are just ranging between 20,950 and between 20,663, right? So if anything breaks above this level there, definitely looking for buying opportunities. We'll wait for my rejection candlestick there or my decision. I'm going all the way to the upside, and that is to two there. I take it to the upside. However, if I break to the downside, you know the drill. I'm simply going to wait, retest 20,600, and I'm going to go to the downside. Right? So yeah, that's my take on Nasdaq. US30 yesterday again, we had nice opportunities there on US30 as the choppers community analyzes to 7 a.m. club that we're gonna wait for US30 to break and come back at this level there. We marked 42,172. This is a price that we marked, and with this rejection candle there, that's your entry there, nicely to TP. And this morning I said to them, reload maybe at 42,300. But as you see, it didn't come down because we wanted to buy at the discount. I always like buying at the discount, but there was no opportunity there. So I didn't want to sell there because I told them that if you sell there, a lot of people are going to sell there. Why? Because this thing is a break and retest, right? So as much as you're seeing break and retest on 1 hour, you're also having a nice break and retest on 15 minutes. Depends on how you say it. Break, retest, and this was your previous resistance. My chart looks so messy right now. I even want to delete some things there. Right. So on 15 minutes, this is where we saw this thing. That look, on it might trap on it might trap on a 1 hour. Like I said, it might trap on 1 hour where you're having retail traders selling here. Why? Because they see a continuation. They might want to sell and make a new low, right? Where is your low? Your low is at 41,740. They will think that we can make a new low there, and this is where they can exit. And I said it to the choppers that that's a dangerous thing to do. It's too easy to see, right? Trend continuation it's too easy to see, and that's why a lot of people get trapped. So I said, let's not fall for that. Let's look for buying opportunities. And I know some of you took this nice buy for 2,000. Hit P9, never got an opportunity. So yeah, let's see during the news what's going to happen. Chances are, since we have violated this level and this one here, maybe we might see that drop, maybe. So yeah, let's wait for the news and make decisions from there. German 40, this was our analysis in the morning. So our analysis in the morning, we're talking about this consolidation that we are having between 20,300 and 20,200, right? So we wanted to see if maybe we can see a break above, retest, then we can take it to the downside. A nice rejection candlestick there to print for us to take it to the upside. For those that wanted to take to be safe, they could have taken this buy at 20,231.91 rather, right? So let's see how we hold at this level, then we can have a continuation and reload positions from there. Right, so that's German 40 for you. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Right, so Bitcoin, I think this happened during the live stream. We spoke about selling Bitcoin at 96,700 and potentially exit at 87,600. And we're speaking about 92,000 not hold, right? I've been speaking about this for some time now that I don't think 92,000 is going to hold because it's too easy. I mean, we've been holding this from last year, right? December, we held this level, almost held it as well during the same month. We also held it down the 20th of December.